Mm. I don't even want to know my sister.
Thank God for the gift of life.
Amen. So there's, YouTube have been sending me a message about this YouTube AI, and I just said to myself that okay, let me just try it and see. And for what I've seen so far, I believe they are still building some stuff to just make the AI better. But for what I've seen so far, I love the YouTube AI, and I like the fact that you can create video from there and then upload on YouTube, and you can even generate music. So if I've been paying money for from different apps to generate music, this time YouTube got you covered, man. You don't need to stress yourself to go looking for where to generate some songs. So I know. Let me just try some features on this screen. All right, that's good. Light on. Let me go to green screen. Done. Okay, that's green screen. All right. So what will be my background? Yeah, when you have green screen, you need to have background. All right. Let me see. Thank you for joining. Mm. You have made this life fun, and I were able to kind of welcome, guys. All right. Let's see if we can play game. Let me remove the green screen. All right. Mm. Should put myself at the background. Does it make sense? No, I don't like it. Shahi. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I saw some beautiful things here. What would I do? There's something I saw on this YouTube. Do not retouch. Um, I was about to play game. Okay, let me see. Let me touch on this. Okay, this is here. How are you? You're welcome. I want to play game. Let me see if I'm good at playing game. I don't know. Well, let's see. Let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see. The game is loading. Mm. Let's see. Let me look for another game. This one, because some things are blocking themselves.